Hi friends, this video shows how to fix app not installed error when you are trying to install an application using APK file. Open settings app, tap on the settings app icon, then select more settings, then select permission management, then select install unknown apps. If you are trying to install APK file using file manager, select file manager, then enable this option, allow unknown app to be installed. When you enable this option, your file manager can install APK file from any unknown sources. If you are using Google Chrome to install APK file, you have to enable same option in Google Chrome. Tap on Google Chrome and enable it. If you are using Firefox, you have to do the same thing. Select Firefox and enable that option. So this way we can give this permission to any application to install app from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.